Hello. I honestly have no idea what to do today. I honestly don't know what's the future of stream right now, and I forgot to. Oh wait, where is my other phone? I honestly just want to like try out. Want to try out some new things. Milk is good. I hold on. So right now, at least I'm trying to connect to YouTube. I'm cross-streaming to YouTube. Let's see what happens if I cross-stream to Kick. I have an account, yep. Not that I support Kick or anything. I should have a couple of ideas I might want to implement. First, I want to change my profile picture. Edit avatar. Upload from local device. Do I have any in my downloads that I want to use? Oh wait, just saw it. Fuck. It is more than allowed to. This is WebP, goddamn. You can see I have one that's connected to YouTube right now. I have bot rig connected to YouTube. I want to see what it's like to stream to other platforms at the same time and see how well my computer can handle it. Hey Connell, how are you? Okay, so right now one of the things I'm doing right now is that I have streamer bot chat. Streamer bot chat allows me to look at chats from multiple platforms. If I just start this, will I just stream to Kick? I don't even know. Hold on, create a dashboard. How do I stream to Kick? I don't even know. I'm gonna share out my stream URL. Doing good. How about you? I'm doing pretty good. Low key, just trying to figure out what to do with my life right now. But I've been keeping myself occupied doing projects, doing YouTube videos, editing YouTube videos. Been liking that one. Am I streaming to Kick right now? Oh yeah, I'm streaming to Kick right now. This is not. Hold on. Oh, on StreamerBot. I'm not logged into Kick. Allow access. Logged in. Boom. Do I need to refresh? Hey Chris, congrats on redeeming third. I'm so glad you didn't miss the stream. Yeah, not linked your Kick account on the website. Yeah, Kick is a weird thing to like. I don't know what I did wrong here. I'm streaming to Kick right now. I'm just streaming to Kick just to see how well my computer can handle it and how exactly my streaming experience will be like. How's everyone doing? I have Milkis Melon Flavor right here, not sponsored. But I watched Korean Englishman when I was when I was eating, and it was so good. I managed to finish my food first. Hey Chris, yeah, good that you snatched your username on Kick also, right? Yeah, I'm trying to figure out how to have it connected here. Do I need to? Okay, I'm gonna close StreamerBot and open it again. I'm using Nutty's chat box. Are you asking from my perspective or from this? This is Nutty's. Nutty.gg. It's connected to. It will connect to StreamerBot, so I have this multi-chat overlay. Meanwhile, let me check here. I think it's better if I check it myself here. Twitch, YouTube, Kick, chat account. Chat account connect. Yeah, not linked to a Kick account on the website. Click on the above link to do this. Yeah, click has expired. Okay, gotcha. Okay, don't see my email anywhere. Good. Log into your account. Linking with Kick. Continue. Allow access. Jesus Christ, there's so much hoops to jump through. Yay, who wants to see my API key? Anyways. Let me test it on Kick again. Oh, there it works now. And I should receive it in my streamer bot chat. I don't. Oh, because I was on the... Okay. Test. Marco Polo. Yeah, so... I want to make a video one of the video ideas I have right now is, oh god, I closed YouTube. I don't know. I don't know if I'm still streaming to YouTube or not. I think I still need to have the YouTube Creator Studio tab still opened for me to continue streaming. Anyways, we're not gonna do a timer right now. Timer. Timer flow. First. Nice. Timer flow. So, another thing that I'm doing right now is I am trying to, not even this, I'm trying to get this to actually send properly. YouTube is full name. Oh, no, it's fine. Yeah, when I try to send a message, it doesn't send through. So I need to figure that out. Your full name is Crispy07. Anyways. I am okay, I'm going to the Discord. I'm going to the streamer bot Discord. Your YouTube follower count is AW is Ox again. What do you mean by Ox? Awkward? Oh, that. That's fine. Yeah, I said that. Okay. Yeah, I said that. Hey, can someone make my YouTube subscriber count not 444 because 4 means death in Chinese. 4 is 4, which sounds like death in Chinese. 4. It's somewhat homophonic. Not homophobic. You didn't hear that correctly. Homophonic. You're such a homophone. Then open the mainstream bot chat, click on setting the title, sync settings. Then send message. Enable authentication. Additionally, you can sync your quick actions. Sync settings. Sync. Your chat had to open. Okay. Now if I do streamer bot chat, sync settings, test. Oh, I like how you have the IRL badge. Is that from Jiri? Jiri stream? Jiri. You can interact with the center via the docked chat. To enable this, you need to go to WebSocket server. I need to go to WebSocket server. And over there, enable authentication and set a password. Alright. Okay, I don't know if enabling authentication for my Failed to connect to WebSocket. No. Any IRL streamer for watching 15 minutes like a week ago, I see. Test. Oh, there it works now. So, now I need to test my chat widget here. I think it should be fine. Check. Now, if I just video chapters, let's say I'm done with that. Yeah, my chat widget seems like it's doing just fine. Oh, wait. Is there even an ad right now? Hey, Boba, how are you? Yeah. You're sick. Oh no. Right now I'm cross streaming to YouTube and Kick as well. And for Kick, so you're not gonna be able to like sync your settings. I was just it's sort of testing, sort of just chatting as well. Oh no, taskdit on Kick. Taskdit. Okay. Should that have responded from your account instead of taskdit? Wait, what? The you mean like taskdit instead of my no taskdit. No taskdit on Kick. Not yet. I can do that right now, but honestly, I don't even really plan on streaming to Kick that often. I don't even know like what would be the point of me streaming to Kick. I don't even know if people want to see me on Kick or not. I feel like Kick is very chaotic, yeah. So I'm fine with just using my main account on Kick. I don't mind if there's followers there, just know that I don't really plan on streaming there. Let me tell you about Moonbeam, okay? Moonbeam, I don't know how well that is going, but one of Moonbeam is like another streaming platform. It was like low-key rising a little bit, and then co-working streamers took notice of it. Hey Noodle. So Moonbeam was the developers seem cool, but I am pretty sure that it's not going too well for them. They introduced like Twitch and Discord services all in one, and you can sort of I don't know. It's like Twitch and Discord two in one, and you can easily stream to Moonbeam. I don't know how well that is going for them. Stream. Moonbeam stream. Where esports team. Moonbeam has closed down. It was a great run and an absolute privilege to build. Oh my god. Moonbeam has closed down. It was a great run and an absolute privilege to build and grow with you. We are incredibly grateful for the support and love you showed us. It will be insanely hard to break into the streamer side space. Exactly. So I remember people were hyping it up. People were hyping it like, yo, Moonbeam's gonna be a great place for co-working streamers. And I even suggested, yo, you guys should have an API for StreamerBot users to connect with. Yeah. And there was a streamer. Oh god, I hope he's still doing well and healthy. I don't know where he is right now, but there was a very kind co-working streamer. I forgot his name, Jesus Christ. But he's like a grandpa. He is an old professor and he uses a super sweet bot. And I don't know where he is right now. I haven't heard from him in a while, but he was the person sort of not really in charge, but one of the main voices about co-working streamers on Moonbeam. Are you guys okay with the topic of death? Yep. All right. Trigger warning: death. Anyways, so it's sort of scary. Not really scary. It's I don't know how to feel about it. So I have a friend who is in the US and Canada. He's currently in the US and he went to a memorial of his friend who made a lot of Instagram content. He made a lot of he's a dancer and he had a lot of followers on Instagram and uh my friend was just wishing his friend very well and I went to check out the profile of the person who passed and taskedit not now and I was like yeah I was like thinking damn it's so weird when like you don't hear back from a content creator, you don't hear back from like a HS, you don't hear back from someone, and you don't even know whether they're actually alive or not. You know, I'll go time and test at it. Yeah, cause my friend, his friend passed. His friend who made a lot of Instagram content, dancing reels and stuff like that, got really popular, stuff like that. He passed. And I actually see that mutual followers is not only just my friend, but another friend of mine who's in a completely different circle who I know since high school. And she just went on to become a K-pop trainee. So it sort of makes sense why she would follow him for his content, you know? But it's just like, damn, she is probably not even aware at all about his passing because nobody has access to his social media accounts, I think. And it's just, it's just another person that you follow on Instagram. And you just don't hear back from them and suddenly poof, you sort of like probably don't even remember that you follow them on Instagram, you know? You can be like, wow, I love their content. I'm gonna drop them a follow, and then years later, you're gonna be like, oh, I don't even remember following that person. Not really an influencer. What is it? One primary school teacher. I entered secondary school, and then they were grieving like a teacher. I'm just like, I have no idea who this teacher is. Their passing is so sudden. I suddenly remember them. Yeah, one primary school teacher and one junior. You went to look at their profile. Oh, uh, that can be kind of yeah. Oh no, it's just something to process. Kind of sad though because the primary school teacher was your favorite. I'm so sorry. Rest in peace. Yeah, it's like it's so young. It's like nobody would expect it, right? I had in high school. I had a math teacher whose husband passed away, and I remember like uh the principal sort of like announced it and then had a moment of silence. The entire assembly, not really assembly, it's more like online class during COVID. The husband passed away from COVID. Yeah, always still got time. Yeah. Mm. Anyways, yeah, these days I've been doing YouTube content. Hold on. I am. Uh, yeah. Speaking of Moonbeam, Moonbeam is like, yeah, if you want to create like a streaming services, I am going to delete the stream key that I have in my OBS that would stream to Moonbeam. That's like, oh man, that was a crazy time. Yeah, yeah. That's the thing about startups. People are like, how do I describe it? Oh, I hate being like a pawn. Uh, if you're a worker and you just work for someone, it's like, and you don't really get to climb that ladder very high. Uh, it's like, man, I hate the schedule and I hate that I'm doing this for the money. I wish I can be like the boss so that I can just earn a lot of money and uh, have control over my own schedule. I just work whenever I want to. Just like CEO, the CEO, CTO, CXO, whatever. Um, my Malaysianness is coming out. You're able to earn a lot of money without doing too much, and that's like the dream. But it's like if you try to be a founder of a business, a startup, it's like you're taking so much risks. And I feel like along the way, you always have to burn bridges. You're going to have to let people go if things aren't going well. You're going into a loss. You're going to owe uh, people, banks money. It's like you're taking a lot of risk. Okay, it's great that you're like a CEO, CTO, just like leading your starting a business. Well, you're gonna your money come in. You're the first one to receive it, right? Uh, Before you pay your workers. I don't know if that how it works, but personally, I don't really want to start my own business and hire people and pay them a salary. It's because it's because I feel like I'm not gonna profit enough in order to sustain it. It's too risky. I prefer to just get paid a salary. Uh, another video that I want to make is how to move from stream elements to streamer bot. I feel like a lot of people are going to be searching for that right now, even with all the chaos, even with like streamer bots, with stream elements not closing down. Stream elements is not closing down, but I still advise people to. You're looking at streamer bot for jury, but you can't really see a way to maintain it remotely. Yeah. So it's so if you want tips from me on how to move from stream elements to streamer bot, there are streamer bot is local. It's best if the streamer knows what they're doing with it, and it's best to know what the streamer knows what they're doing with it, and they're able to control StreamerBot in the way they want to without relying on other people. Stream Elements, Nightbot, Streamlabs, those are on the cloud, so it's easy to like Stream Elements. You're able to be a super mod, and you're able to take control of a lot of things on Stream Elements, right? Yeah, you built out a whole config and testing export import, but it gets annoying. I do understand what you mean. Yeah. Yeah, some ways that I would recommend moving to from Stream Elements to StreamerBot is firstly a starter pack. So I'm gonna search for StreamerBot starter pack. Hey youth, how are you? Welcome on in. I'm Ryan. I'm a Coworking Study streamer. We usually have a timer while we work, but I basically finished my studies and I don't really know what to do. So this is my first time co-streaming in a while. Wait, youth, I helped you with StreamerBot, right? StreamerBot and task widget, stuff like that. Okay, so one of the first things I do, if I could turn back time and do it again, is a StreamerBot starter pack. So if you download it, okay, and you import it, you can see all the commands that you have. You can see a lot of things that you get. So it comes with follow age, shout out, and post your socials to chat from Lifesaver. And from Nutty, you get a Discord logger and a multi-stream title changer. Okay, that's really cool. Mark Gusso has a Wheel of Fortune extension. Wheel of Fortune HTML and JS files. Confused Cat brought in rate train bot, walk on message and sound action. So 4 variables that you can change. Terrier Darts, cool guy. Add a stream up currency system and dice game. Okay. Pony added death counter extension, you know, if you play games. Mustache Maniac added BRB clip player, video shoutouts, and chat lockdown. So video shoutouts. Okay, you're Mr. Dark. Cool. So my opinion on video shoutouts is that if you do it for featured clips, I can understand. BRB clip player, I have no problem with that at all. That's full on, like, the streamer is able to take control on all of that. Shout out clips is like you're shouting me out. Wait, sorry. People can be weird when they clip things, you know. StreamerBot didn't have a easy way to do visual overlays tip goals. Yeah, that not something necessarily easy, but the community, they would develop a lot of things for people that will come with like tip goals and stuff like that. So that's why Nutty is like the GOAT when it comes to alerts and overlays. So multi-stream post, multi-stream updater. Yeah. I honestly just really like Nutty starter pack streamer bot. Yeah, I just really like Nutty's streamer bot starter pack. That's where I would start with. So the starter pack. I want to know more things about what the starter pack actually includes. You may also like know. Yeah, visual overlay stuff like that. Stream Elements is you can control it way better on Stream Elements. I do want to give it that. Glad that Stream Elements isn't closing down. There's a lot of streamers out there who are dependent on it. Ignore this. You have to download it first. Yeah. StreamerBot, you have to download it. Everything's local. So as someone who knows a lot about streaming, knows a lot about tech, it makes sense why I will move to StreamerBot, right? I have enough computing power, not that you need a lot of it, but I have enough computing power to run StreamerBot, power a lot of my widgets. I'm able to customize a lot of things behind me. So this thing, integrated StreamerBot. This is just JavaScript. This is StreamerBot. The act of changing different scenes, StreamerBot. What other things do I have with StreamerBot? Oh, when I share my screen and I can just zoom in here. This is some StreamerBot involved in it, but it's mostly like some. No, it's not Stream Marker. Fuck. Toggle Z. Stream Marker creator. God damn it. Anyways, I'm able to integrate StreamerBot into my Stream Deck. Lol. Yeah. How I would move from StreamerBot to move from Stream Elements to StreamerBot. Yeah, that's one of the things I keep doing, is that I keep saying something, then realize, fuck, I said that wrongly. Let me repeat that. That's so annoying. You're streaming for the last 3 years, but still struggling. What are you struggling with exactly? Are you struggling with the flow of your stream or just the growth of it? So, I've said to a streamer, hey, I've been creating YouTube content. And then the first thing she asked me is like, how's the growth of it? And I answer, I don't really care about the growth. To be honest, I've just been enjoying the process of creating videos and posting it. And that part is just like, fine. I posted my... besides the growth too, you're also struggling with like the flow of your YouTube streams? For context, I'm also talking to YouTube chat. Yeah, the first thing she asked me is like, how's the growth of it? And I didn't really care about the growth. I posted a tutorial of my task widget, not really expecting it to work at all. I didn't care about the views, I didn't care about the likes, I didn't care about things. I care about the comments when people need help. You're lacking with your computing power. I see. Yeah, that part can be a factor. I am on RTX 3060 on my laptop, Intel Core i5. That's what I have. It's from, I had it since 2021 or 2022. My first stream is in 2021. I probably got it like around that year. So my laptop's 5 years old right now. It's a baby. It's a full-grown baby. It can talk now. Ryzen 3, nice. Legend Ryzen 3. So yeah, computer is one of the things that I really want to invest in. I don't even know how much savings I have. I have a bank account. Give me a sec. Yeah, I don't know how much money it's like my dad gave me versus how much I earn myself. It's like all mixed up right now. It's so complicated to go through. Are you from Australia? I am currently in Australia. And let me send... Does my intro command work there? On YouTube? First words. Hey Shadow, how are you? 我只能永远对着最白，对着我给你的伤害。Do my commands not work on YouTube? Am I still streaming on YouTube? Did I close it? No, I did not close it. Does my bot not work on YouTube? Or did I just completely shut it off? I don't know. Okay, that's one of the things that we can look into right now. So, I am in Australia. I'm from Malaysia. I'm Malaysian Chinese studying in Australia, finishing up my bachelor's degree in a few weeks. Yeah, I have a Python bot on YouTube. So I can check in custom commands. I actually don't know how sensitive this is. Execute. You type intro, but that command did nothing. Yeah. I am very aware. I'm very aware. I can see that nothing happened there. So what's wrong? I don't even need Trovo here. Satch. Long. Oh my god, I completely forgot the existence of long. Count. Target count. Moderate commands. Yeah, I don't know what's up. I want to come to Australia. Yeah, Australia is pretty cool. I'm currently in winter season right now. Configuration. Oh, did I make it ignore internal commands? I don't know. I don't even know, man. Maybe after 7 years. Hell yeah. I want to travel the world too. Not really. I want to, what was it? Technically still autumn, yeah. Technically still autumn. Still autumn, but it has been cold as fuck. Custom commands and the YouTube API is still working. Code, command triggered. Command trigger, custom commands executed. It's probably somewhere here. Current command check is a streamer by command. Okay, glad you have to gun now. Bye, Mr. Dot. Thank you. Beautiful temperature. Yeah, I agree. Let's see what it is. Did I even send to any platforms with that command? Exclamation mark weather. 17C. Nice. Well, let me check my weather command, whether that even sends to YouTube chat or not. Yep. Available arguments that you can use. I'm gonna make a change here. So here I have Twitch reply, but it's not always gonna be on Twitch. So I'm gonna replace this with StreamerBot. I can I am going to write some C# code to easily. I can have an if statement. So first thing I want to get is the user type, cph dot try get arg user type. and out string platform, because user type is going to spit out the platform, and I want platform to be platform dot to lowercase. I don't know if this even compiles or not. No, it does not. Lowercase string C#. To lower. To lower. Okay. Now that platform is confirmed to be lowercase, I'm going to have a switch case. I completely forgot how to do switch case in C#. Switch case C#. That's something I should teach in. That's something I should probably teach in the tutorials, right? So switch bracket platform, and I'm going to first ask if it's Twitch. If it's Twitch, then I actually want this in another one. Public bool, gotta go bake some cookies. Sounds nice. Alright, have a good. Have a good one. Have a good baking session. String response. So case Twitch, I wanted to Twitch that. I prefer reply, so I'm going to do cph try get arg of message ID. However, I will get that command triggered. I'm going to use Twitch. Nope, Twitch reply. As replied, nope. Get the message ID, out string message ID. Then I'm going to cph send. Actually, I want reply. I want Twitch reply. Add muter. Oh. Yeah, why is my custom commands not working anymore? What's up with that? Why aren't any of my commands working anymore? Yo, what the fuck is up with that? What happened to my custom command, yo? Twitch reply. Twitch reply to message. Gotcha. Twitch reply to message, string message, reply ID. Response, message ID. Done. Now next, YouTube. I don't need default. I can just case. Not all code paths return a value. How about you suck my return true? Send. Honestly, this doesn't even need to return. This can just be bold. This doesn't need to return. And I can just send a message. Compile successfully. I am going to copy this. And I'm going to, as currently, will this even work? Weather. Is it gonna, yep, it's going to just send that. So you have to cph try get arg cph try get arg current temp c. There can probably be a regex handler for this, but I'm too lazy. So out. Can clickbait title. I thought you were chatting with us wearing shorts. That is not what that even means. Hello, how are you? Temp C. I do need to set game to software and game development. cph dot try get arg of current temp f current condition text. Compile successfully. Weather. Now I'm going to send it to YouTube chat as well. Come on. You can do this. Come on. Please. Oh. I think I can figure out why. If you go to commands and you go to weather, you can see that. Where is it? It's a command. Commands. Sources. Sources can be YouTube and Kick as well. Why my intro command doesn't work on Twitch, I don't know. But on YouTube, I can type in weather and see, right on the is currently this temperature. I should update the capitalization of that. Boom. Yo, hey Toasty, how are you? Do I know you? Oh wait, no, you're a first time chatter. Hey, what's up? How are you? How'd you find my stream? I should figure out. Let me check if custom commands. I go to the code and I try to compile. Did I type in anything wrong here? Oh. Okay, so let me tell you guys, since they shut down, Twitch suggested me a stream. What are you working on? I am working on fixing this, so let me check the Discord whether the guy actually removed custom commands. I think it's from Tommy, right? No, from Rondi. Trevor present viewers. Trevor, I need to delete anything Trevor related because StreamerBot stopped supporting it. Custom platform Discord. What the heck is that? Custom platform Trevor. Ad is starting soon. I am gonna also try to. There's 31 of them. Fuck. Get the Redeemer. Get the Target. I appreciate you not vibe coding. That's hilarious. I vibe code sometimes not really. If I do vibe code, I actually know how to fix the errors that AI makes. I don't have cursor at the bottom right now. I have Z. I don't have AI mode open on Z right now. There's a quote from the developer of Osu, which is agentic coding is like tentacle rape porn, where some people might enjoy it, but it's just not my taste. Oh, there's an ad. Sorry. So if I do add muter right now, I actually don't know where I even said that. I sent that to YouTube. Will it work on YouTube? It worked on YouTube, finally. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, I have. I'm currently multi-streaming, so I can do intro here. I can quickly send a lot of stuff on my stream are currently just StreamerBot related stuff. So even the chat I'm looking at, the way I quickly change between Twitch chat, YouTube chat right now is and kick. I can just do exclamation mark intro. Does it work? It works for YouTube, not kick. Let me see. Is it okay? Execute is command trigger, custom commands execute. You would have to go to commands. Chris, subscribe. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Jesus Christ, I don't have the alerts on this screen because I use it to stream. But thank you so much for the 6 months of tier 1 sub. I appreciate it a lot. Man. So another thing is, I don't know what's up with the collapsing of these things, but wait, I'm trying to look at commands here. Yo, show me every, oh, because I filtered it, that's why. Thank you so much. Custom commands I have execute right here, and you would need to update the sources to accept from kick chat as well. Commands moderation, you can also update this to include kick as well. Done. So if you go on to kick, you can do exclamation mark intro, then kick sent. Okay, I did a command on kick, and it I did a command on kick, and it got executed on Twitch. So platform. Is there? Oh wait, present platform. Wait, did I never? Let me just re-import the custom commands from Rondi. This beta only self-testing. If you use this, please then let me know if it works. And the validation button, it will not work for older versions. It will not work with older versions. Installation, import code. So with StreamerBot, you can easily import things. Oh, I didn't even need to open it. I can just drag this in here, import, boom, all of these. Done. YouTube present viewers, custom commands. YouTube present viewers, interesting. Import. Let me import. I wonder if deleting, I hope deleting is fine. I'm gonna import, drag the file into here, import. Ensure I still trust it. Two things will be overwritten. Commands that are being imported will be set to disabled. I'm gonna go here, I'm gonna enable all. Now I'm going here and custom commands, YouTube as viewers. And execute intro. Okay, it still works. Oh, did I get? Oh, maybe I set the chat widget to ignore some to ignore my alternate account, because when people use the taskbot with it. By the way, yeah, my name's Ryan. I'm finishing up my degree. I'm a Coworking Study streamer. I'm known around the co-working community for developing a bunch of different software. Hi, Tsuchi. I develop a bunch of different software like the task widget right here, and Do I have an ad right now? He is also Invisible Man, yes. I like to automate a bunch of things around my stream. It can disappear at will, yep. That's true. Thank you for shout out, you're welcome. What's something that I want to develop? Which Burnham. No, you'll never get me alive. Wait, Twitch. Wait, two things people seem to be missing about Twitch's upcoming viewer cap for persistent view botters. The word persistent is a keyword. It means something that happens regularly over a prolonged period of time. It does not mean once or twice. Raids are not going to be seen as view botting. They are real viewers joining your stream with a clear raid signal and a technical end, and most people will leave immediately. They are neither regularly occurring nor prolonged. So, ads starting soon, so beware of that. Okay, welcome back from the ads. So, I've been liking the commercial break in progress. It's just commercial break in progress. Yep. I've been liking this sort of. I've been liking having this as so. From my perspective, this is what I get for using third-party Twitch client back from ads. Nice. A commercial break in progress. Third-party Twitch client. So interesting. I get that when I'm using a Twitch ad blocker. And not gonna lie, I prefer watching the ads. I feel like they're much shorter compared to the Twitch's commercial break in progress. I feel like that will go on forever to the point where I'm just gonna mute the ads. So that's why I recommend the ad muter. So you see this, I can see this on multiple platforms. You should be happy I'm using third-party Twitch. Can't redeem cat ears. Yay, I'm very happy about that. So with this, I'm able to send messages to different platforms. I can say task hello world, and let's see, if you go all the way down, remove all ads and do your own ads yourself, advertise to local businesses. Yeah, that's so true. I'm gonna toggle Twitch and say done 6. I still haven't fixed the add command. I'm gonna fix that then. End my stream. I just want to get a feel of streaming again, and this time I also wanted to test cross streaming to multiple different platforms for fun. Figma sounds wrong, like Sigma or Sigma. Oh, like Sigma, yeah. Figma is the program that I use. I use it to update my thumbnails too. Let me make sure that my emails don't get exposed here. Yeah, this should be fine. I should go to the gym. I should use my friend's gym affiliate code soon. Suck my balls. I've been using Figma to design my thumbnails because I tried Krita and not gonna lie, I get so frustrated. I'm just like, why is everything so unintuitive? So I use Figma instead because I spent an entire semester just trying to battle Figma to the point where I kind of got used to how to do everything. So Figma is how I design my thumbnails. I can just copy this, paste it here, boom, done. Another thumbnail done. And this is on my YouTube. You can go on my YouTube. That's not where I want it to be. Be in my channel. Try chatting stream. You can see this here. Yay. Oh, thank you so much. That one subscriber that changed from 444 to 445. Thank you so much. I should post more short videos. I'm gonna try to fix the add command. So I have an add command where I would want to run an ad for a certain period of time. I think it's in my Twitch streamer command. Play ad, execute code, exclamation my ads. And so I try to, okay, I can try to get an integer here. This is a lot of logic. Let me check. Let me check the argument of Twitch run commercial. Twitch run commercial int duration. So duration, no description provided. Duration. So I imagine it's like I go here and as run commercial for a certain number of seconds, right? So six ads would be here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yep. So I should just take in like a argument from 1 to 6. I can keep this as a string and then properly parse it. If it so I should change this to n. If it's none of that, I'll pick 3. I'll pick 3 just to be nice. Otherwise, if maybe it doesn't work like this. If it maybe that's why this command hasn't worked, because I just assumed that n can be defined. So I just defined n up here. N will be the number of ads. So try parse out n. N times 30. If actually, if this if n is more than 6, then cap it at 6. I don't know if there's a max function. Is there an int max function in C#? Max value. There's a max value of certain number of bits. Max value. Yeah, never mind. Else if n is less than 0, n equals 1. I can just format the document and expect it. Fucking semicolons. Where else? Where? Line 9. Int. Oh. Int n equals 3. Yeah. By default, it has 3. So, I'm gonna run a couple of ads. See you guys. Bye. Peace. I don't miss any of you. I'm gonna add another source on here as well. Browser, add existing, add count.nutty. Alright, compile, save and compile. Exclamation mark ads. And it should have started very soon. Much sooner than this. Yeah, that was just one ad. So if I run ads, what will happen? Nothing happens. cph.loginfo n. Save and compile. Jesus Christ, what? Yay. Subscribe tier 1. Thank you so much, Mike. I really appreciate it. Dude, did you arrive to your destination? Where are you right now? In Europe? No, wait. Sorry. How are you doing? Are you on a trip, right? I don't know what I'm allowed to ask. I'm sorry. I hope you're having a good day. Anyways. Are you able to share what you're doing right now? Fuck, I hate this. Anyways, I'm gonna run some ads. Goodbye, guys. You reckon UK? What's happening in UK right now? I genuinely have no idea. Masters London. Want to collaborate? Wait. This is nope. This is not the right date. Zero. Okay, just go all the way down and I just see zero. Why the fuck is it zero? Why is n zero? Tell me why. Ain't nothing but a heartache. Tell me why n is zero right here. Else n is 3. Can I just int n right here? Yeah. Let's touch. Okay, there we go. There we go. By default, it's 3 ads right now. You're in Europe, yes. Landed Amsterdam last night. Gonna travel around before TwitchCon. Oh my gosh, that sounds. I want to visit TwitchCon. I want to go to TwitchCon. The only TwitchCon. The closest thing I've been to TwitchCon is just PAX Australia at Twitch Kappa Cafe. Are you in an ad right now? Open. Are you open, gangs? Are you in an ad right now? No. Okay. So you heard it. Good. I just wanted to make sure since there's an ad running. You have turbo. That's good. uh. Oh my gosh. What was that game that you were playing yesterday? Oh, Squirtle. 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 My favorite starter Pokemon. Anyways, is Boba here? Speaking of Squirtle. Play. Find. Finish raspberry tutorial. Yeah. Good luck. Sort words alphabetically. 4 words here. Okay. What can we do here? 4-letter words. Oh wait, we did this yesterday. There was dining. We did this one, yep. I don't. Bonus word of the day. What is this? Pins. Tinge. 8 points. 4-letter words. 4-letter words. Man, bonus word is obscure word usually, I say. Something shin. There's something shin. Nation. Abomination. Something like that. I don't know. Subordination. This is me cheating. Subordination. 68 points. I see people keep playing the LinkedIn game. Ordination. That's not the 15-letter word though. Where is it? Subordination. One other 13-letter word. Which one's the longest word you got yesterday? I don't even know. I just want to get rid of one of the letters already. I just want to take. I just want to open both of the Both of the hints right now. Penis. Nope. Pens. Subordination. Subordination. Insubordination. 90 points. Let's go. Star counts. As a square counts. Oh, hell yeah. I found a bonus word. Yay, peanut. Nice. That's not how you spell nice. Where is it? Oh, it's not this one. N-I. Where the hell is S-E? Pingo. I just want to quit this game halfway. Bonus word of the day. Thank you. Dyslexic. Nice. I can't tell if you're joking, to be honest. Bonus. 8 points. Yeah. Oh. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Junior and juniors. Most the other. Does the 13 letter word have anything to do with ordination? Also, set game just chatting. Subordinating. Subordinating. Nice. 2. 13 is crazy. NG. Q. Q? What word starts with Q? Quinn. Bonus word found. Quiz. Quid. What else? Quiet? Tien. Not unless. I know that Tien is a bonus word. Type it W. Quip. Thank you. Now, E. Pong. Bonus word found. God damn it. Pong. S. S. Boars. Birds. Like Henry Burser. Yeah. Verse. God. D. Dip. Boo. Squid. S. Hell yeah. Squid. No more Q. Okay. What if I want to get rid of this I? Nice. Something like, no. Sin. Gone. E. E starts with something here. Neon. E starts with something here. I don't know what. E, egg, eon, genus and genius. I got genus but forgot genius. Yao. Potion. Boom. Uh, bussin. One starts with this. On God. Onus. Great. Okay, I didn't expect that to work. Shiba Inu. Too short. Fuck you. I N in at in your in in no Ngnious. Yay, let's go. I hope to get that word. I have very bad memory, just letting you know. Dim. Pian. 24 out of 59 words. Bonus words found. Ingenious. Reveal word. 6 letters. 6 letters. Most people gave up around here. I am very tempted to. Oh, oh. If you look only at these 3 letters, you can imagine a penis. Pong. Nope. Peony. Nursing. Ning. Ning yi cho. Come on, just one more and I'll give up, okay? Nose. Bonus word found. Motherfucker. Rue? No. Pens. Something after pens. P-O. Bonus word found. I fucking hate you. Tone. Okay, one more, then I'll give up. Poem. Type. Have I even gotten gone? I did get gone. Now there's one here which I can do, and I nope. Okay, one last letter. Alpine. 8 points. 6 letter words. Have a missing word to reveal it. One last one. Runs. Okay, that's it. Bye. Okay, I'm gonna find someone to rate. GG's. Great game. I'm feeling very how's it how to say I'm feeling very cloud chasey, so I'm gonna rate a very famous streamer, so I came back to Cloud Chaser, right? Hey Bubba. We were talking about Squirtle just now because we were playing a game called Squirtle, which has nothing to do with Squirtle at all. So anyways, uh anyways, I'll see you guys next time, okay? Bye.